So I have a question for you. How many locks do you think I'm gonna have left after my install? So this pack has more than enough hair for a full installation. So we have 100 Bronde locks, Boho Goddess locks, Crochet Locs, the one and only. And then we've got 40 strands of our Mermaid Loc wave hair. So I want you to guess right now how many locks you think I'm gonna have left at the end of the install, and stick around to the end of the video and we shall see how much I have left. So not only included in the pack is everything you need, you also get this pack of jewels, which I will get out and show you properly. So this is the Boho Locs jewel pack, which has over 25 pieces, I believe. Gold string and wooden beads, gold jewels, there's a silver jewel, pink, green. Just there's lots of variation. I don't know how well you can see it in the pack, with which you can, you know, zhuzh, jazz, give your hair some pizzazz. So yeah, I'm gonna get into the installation of Bronde Mermaid Locs from Boho Locs. The first thing you need to do is to do your base. So yeah, so it's a really basic cornrow pan. I like to keep things really simple. Don't want to get too complicated with the cornrow pattern. It's just not necessary at all. So all we ever do is 8 cane rows in the base, and the first cane row that we do is the one that sort of like goes along the back hairline. Now because I'm doing mermaid locks, this hair here is going to go into extensions. So we're going to go ahead and do the cane row extensions here. Okay, so this is the wavy hair in here, so it's going to get that out. So what we'll probably do is now is the unveiling. We'll take the locks out. They're attached up here, so you can just, I think you can kind of just rip it out. So this is our Mermaid Loc wave hair. So we're gonna go in, first of all, and do extensions in the front. Okay, so every section of the Mermaid Loc wave hair actually has a band on it. That makes the crochet part very easy to do, but obviously when we're cane rowing, putting extensions in, we don't want that. So we can just go ahead, taking some scissors, and we can just literally just go ahead and just snip that off, and then we just have extension hair. Now this will be too thick for one extension. This could probably be 2. It can actually become 3. So I'm going to split it here first. Of course, if you want to use a comb, you can, but I tend to just use my nails to just get the parting that I like. I never do the partings completely straight. So if we're looking on, I never go like that, like that, like that, like that. I always go like that or like that. I don't know why, but I find that it just looks more natural. You're just trying to plait it just past where your natural hair ends. You don't need to plait it much further past. I want layers here because I really like the layered look. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to literally go in and cut off maybe the top 3 to 4 inches of the extension. Just literally like that. Like that. And then obviously what I'm left with is much shorter. Go in with these 2, fold them over like this, and we're just going to go ahead and braid it in like that. And that's one layer there, which is cute because the thing is, because the hair's ombre in our locks, the Mermaid Loc Bronde, you get different colours. I might make this one a teensy bit shorter. Teensy, a little bit shorter. There we go. Alright. And fold. And let's see, is it going to be shorter? Yeah, slightly shorter, I think. And this bit is going to go here, so we just braid in. Sick. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on this side. Extensions in the front and 8 chain rows at the back. So I'm going to go ahead and start to crochet now. Generally what I like to do is round about every third or fourth lock I will then do a wavy hair strand. There, check out the color. What we're going to do now is hide the extension along with the lock, and to do this you need nail glue. Per lock on your head you need half of a lock. So 1 single lock for 2 faux locks on your head. That makes sense. Taking your spare lock, you're gonna cut it here in the top, in the loop, and then just literally just pull it apart. I've got 2 essentially bits of hair, and then just want to unravel it a little bit. And what you just want to make sure that you do is wrap past your natural hair. And you'll know where your natural hair ends because you will have just plaited up to it. So as long as you wrap past where the plait ends in the extension, you should be good. And then you just want to put, I just want to put 2 drops on the straggly bits and wind it around. The lock should end around about here, so you just unravel the lock roughly where you want it to end and kind of cut into it and kind of taper it down so you've got a look like that. I'll do it again. Open the lock where you roughly want it to end and then just slide and then cut diagonally going down in kind of like a slide. There we go. And we'll do the other side too. There we go. Mermaid locks. Boho Locs style. Hi guys, Lulu here. I just wanted to share with you the results of my mermaid look install. So yes, so you've seen how I did it from start to finish, and here are the results. I love this. I mean, I do say that about every style that I do, but I can't lie, I love it. I really think it looks good. Look at the colors, look at the layers. Ah, yes. So I know that I asked you guys a question. I said, how much hair do you think I'm gonna have left? Now, take your guess. How many strands of locks do you think I have left? And how many strands of wavy hair do you think I have left? Do you think I have none left? Considering the volume that's in this hair, do you guys think I've got any hair left? This is what I've got left. So I've got like 10 locks left, and I think I've got around about 20 of the wavy strands left. And with Boho Locs, we do this intentionally so that with every install, you've got hair left for touch-ups, and if you wanted to refresh in the front or something like that, you've got enough hair to do that. In this install, I've got 90 locks, that would be, and 20 of the wavy strands, and I it is voluminous. It is nice and full, and I don't normally do my hair this full. I don't think it's fuller for me. I just thought I would just try it out, but I don't think you need to use all of it unless you want like really full, but you don't really need it. And this volume is a nice volume, and also with time, as you like progress wearing the locks, they will sort of like flatten a little bit. So even if you do your install and you think, well, this is too thick, you don't necessarily need to go in and start taking out the locks. You can maybe just live with it for a few days, maybe about 5 days to a week, and then you'll see it start to sort of like come down as the hair sort of gets more worn. I think they look better with time. In fact, I will do a video in about a week or so you can see how the locks progress over time. But yes, these are the results, and I'm really happy, and I love the colours. Yeah, so this is Bronde Mermaid Lock install, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you now know confidently how to install your locks. If you do want more advice, then do email me. Honestly, reach out anytime. It's info@boholocs.com, and I'll be happy to help you out. Please check out my website, boholocs.com, and have a great day. Thank you.